for all their birthdays and Christmas and everything. We'll just never get to see them again.
Right now on 11 at 11, justice is served in a crash that killed a Northern Kentucky family of 5.
Good evening, everyone. After days of emotional testimony, a Kenton County jury convicted Daniel Greis on 5 counts of murder.
Greis crashed into the Pollitt family's vehicle last year, killing 2 parents and their 3 children. The jury recommended a 20-year prison sentence. 9 on your side's Brianna Harper brings us brand new reaction to the verdict and what's next for the convicted murderer.
This 2-week trial has finally come to an end here at the Kenton County Courthouse, but not without plenty of emotion. Prosecutor Rob Sanders saying this is the first time he's actually cried during a trial.
We'll never get to see our kids again. We had to go to the cemetery, look at a big pile of dirt.
A family of 5 dead, and the man convicted of their murders can now face at least 20 years behind bars. That's the minimum sentence the jury recommended after finding enough evidence to determine Daniel Greis guilty when he chose to drive drunk and high while speeding on Staffordsburg Road last October. As a result, he killed 5 members of the Pollitt family in a head-on crash.
Would have liked to have seen a longer sentence, but I respect their decision. At the defendant's age, I think he will probably spend the rest of his life in prison.
But despite the positive outcome for the prosecution, there's still plenty of emotion for the victim's family.
I don't know how we'll ever be able to pick up the pieces and go on with our lives.
The jury had to consider these chilling photos of the crash scene when reaching their decision, and the defense believes that kind of emotion could have played a part in the murder conviction.
You shouldn't convict on emotion, but it's so easy to do that because this may be the worst accident that's ever going to come into this courtroom.
The defense also stands by his argument that the other driver, Jesse Phillips, involved in the alleged road rage incident, also held some responsibility in the crash as well. Greis' defense attorney tells me they are considering a possible appeal on this case, but in the meantime, we can expect a sentencing in the next 3 weeks. Now, if the judge decides to go with the jury's recommendation of a 20-year sentence, Greis must serve at least 17 years before he's up for parole. Reporting in Kenton County, Brianna Harper, 9 on your side.